Welcome back. This is Monty from DPL Surveillance Equipment. Today we're going to be talking about a particular service on my website that doesn't get that much publicity for whatever reason. I don't put as much emphasis on it, but I just want to bring it to your attention just in case you want to take a look at it and take advantage of it. We're basically talking about background searches. Some of the reasons why you may want to take advantage of doing background searches are, let's say you have a prospective employee that you want to hire, but you need to find out more about them. Okay, where have they been? You know, what they have in their records or whatever, or don't have for that matter. Maybe there's a particular business partner. You guys want to go into some sort of partnership, and you want to find out as much as possible about that individual, or maybe you want to establish a relationship with someone, and you're just kind of concerned about whether or not there's any criminal history or anything like that. So you want to do a background search in that case, just to find out, just to cover your bases. There's nothing wrong with it. People are doing it all the time. So you go to my website, for instance, and we've taken a very creative approach, ingenious approach to doing background searches. What we've done is we've integrated this into the website in the shopping cart, of course. So you can literally order online the various types of background searches. Some of the choices that you are going to be able to take advantage of are, let's take a look at some of them. For instance, the divorce records, business credit reports, real property records, criminal records reports, by county, state, and then we go to page 2, and then we can take a look at instant criminal records, nationwide criminal records, public records profiles. We got court records, just in case there's any liens, judgments, or bankruptcies that you need to find out about. We tell you exactly what you are going to provide to us, and then we tell you what you will receive, and we tell you the availability in terms of how many states are actually cooperating and giving us that information. So again, you provide a certain amount of information, usually the more the better. We tell you what we will provide to you in terms of what you will receive in a fax or attachment. We'll tell you how long or the delivery time typically that it's going to take. So again, integrated into a shopping cart on my website, we have the ability to do background searches, order your reports, get an idea of how fast it's going to take, how many states are actually cooperating, so you know how comprehensive, if you will, that this particular search is going to be. And we have, I think, one of the more valuable things that we bring to the table as far as background searches is the ability to customize these reports to your particular needs. In other words, we don't give you any more information than what you need. A lot of times companies will give you an abundance of information and charge you an extraordinary amount of money for a lot of information that goes way beyond what you need. What we do is we give you a certain amount of information, let you decide whether or not we need to go a step further from that, and then once you get that information, then you can decide whether or not we need to go to another level. So in other words, we have an incremental approach. We start at a very basic level, give you enough information, have you evaluate it, you tell us whether or not that's enough, and if it's not, we go to the next level so that you minimize the financial outlays for these particular reports. Again, take a look at the background searches. We don't talk about it as much as we should as far as what DPL Surveillance Equipment offers. We put a lot of emphasis on renting and buying equipment, but we actually do searches for you. So find out about the spouse, or the potential spouse rather, find out about the potential employee, find out about the particular individual that you're thinking about establishing a relationship with, find out about the particular business partner, prospective business partner. You could end up spending millions of dollars trying to dissolve a business partner or partnership that went the wrong direction because you found out later on that the person was involved with embezzling and larceny or whatever, and you just could have avoided it by finding out about their history. So again, this is Monty bringing you a very, very innovative and creative solution for finding out about business partners, spouses, or prospective employees. And we've enjoyed hosting this session with you guys, and we look forward to being with you in the next session. You guys have a great day. Thank you. Take care. Bye.